Hello everyone. Today we will be discussing a question on physics, semester 3, standard 12, electrostatics. The question is, 2 point charges of charge Q and Q are placed at a x and x by 2 distance from a plus 4Q charge. All are in a straight line. Calculate magnitude and nature of Q such that net force on Q is 0. So, if you visualize this question and try to draw the diagram, let's say this is the charge 4Q. We have been given plus 4Q charge, and from this 4Q charge another charge Q lies at a distance x by 2, and there is one other charge capital Q lying at a distance of capital X. Now it is also given that force on the small charge Q is 0. Whatever force charge Q is experiencing, right, it will experience a force due to this charge. Also this will experience force due to this charge. If we name them 1, 2 and 3, the force on 1 due to 2 and force on 1 due to 3. So since this, we have to identify what is the value of this charge and nature of this charge. Now obviously we know that when this is positive, this is also positive. This must be positive in order to make the charge on Q 0. Please, this is just a basic conclusion about the numerical. Just looking at the diagrammatic situation of the numerical, we conclude that the Q must obviously be positive. Otherwise, the force on Q cannot be 0. This is positive, and this also must be positive to make force on Q 0. How? So force on 1 due to 2 will be in this direction, as Q is large enough, right, and Q, they both repel each other. So Q will repel this smaller Q in this direction. Similarly, this plus 4Q, it is again greater than the Q. So force on 1, force on this charge due to this charge, third charge, will be towards opposite direction. This charge will push this charge. These are the vector notation. Now coming back to the hint given that the force on Q is 0. Force on Q is nothing but the summation of force on 1 due to 2 as well as due to 3, which we have identified here. So further we can write as force on Q is, that is 1 due to 2 plus force on 1 due to 3, which is 0. Simplifying further, we know that forces are vector quantity. It has magnitude as well as charge. So first we will write down the magnitude and then we will add the vector notation. So magnitude of force on 1 due to 2, that will be K Q1 Q2 by Q, capital Q, it is Q1 Q2, distance is x by 2 square. This is the magnitude, and direction is this, which is negative x direction, and this is positive x direction. Negative x direction is represented by negative I, and the positive x direction is represented by positive I cap. Using such notations here, the magnitude we got and the direction will be minus, sorry, it is this, that minus I cap, plus next one, force on 1 due to 3. So between these two, the force between these two will be K Q1 Q2 upon distance square, and the direction is this one, so that is plus I, and this must come to the 0. Taking out K common, Q common, x by 2 whole square common, the remaining things are minus Q, and here it will be plus 4Q. I is also common, so this one 0 0, remaining is this. So we conclude that Q equal to 4Q, which is the correct answer. And also nature of charge, we assumed that it was positive, and hence it is found to be positive, is found to be positive. This is the answer to this question.